How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make your HyperX Cloud 3 microphone louder. So the first thing that you want to do is on the hardware itself. Now on your headphones, there's going to be this volume wheel, and just make sure that it's turned all the way up. Now, right after, you also want to navigate through the official Ingenuity application. Now you can grab this from the official webpage of HyperX. And then once inside, it will automatically detect your headphones, and there's going to be the mic volume option. Just make sure that it's turned all the way up. Also, in your Windows setting, navigate through sound setting. And inside this page, you have your input. Just make sure that you select the right microphone that you are currently using, which is going to be for your headset. And then make sure once again that the volume slider is turned up. And if you're using it for something like Discord or maybe other applications, of course, just head over to the applications voice or video setting, audio setting, and do the same thing where you have the microphone audio or volume, and from there just turn it all the way up. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.